You wouldn't believe how much of what we think we know about geography is actually wrong. These common misconceptions sneak their way into conversations and trivia, and we don't even realize it. But today, we're setting the record straight. Let's dive into some geography facts that you probably get wrong and the real truth behind them. Number 1. The largest desert in the world. A lot of people think the Sahara Desert is the biggest desert on Earth. After all, it's famous for its endless sand dunes and scorching heat, right? Well, the truth is, the largest desert is actually the Antarctic Desert. Yes, you heard that right, Antarctica is a desert. It's not the temperature that defines a desert, but how dry it is. And with almost no precipitation, Antarctica is the driest and largest desert in the world, stretching over 5.5 million square miles, much bigger than the Sahara. Mind blown, right? Number 2. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain. We've all been told that Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. But here's the thing, it's not, at least not when you look at the full picture. Sure, it's the tallest when measured from sea level, standing at a towering 29,032 feet. But if you measure from base to peak, Mauna Kea in Hawaii takes the crown. Mauna Kea starts deep under the Pacific Ocean and rises to about 33,500 feet when you add it all up. So, Everest may get all the glory, but Mauna Kea is the real champ when it comes to height. Number 3. Africa is a country. This one's a classic. How many times have you heard someone refer to Africa as a country? It's not. Africa is a massive continent made up of 54 individual countries, each with its own unique culture, language, and geography. From the deserts of Egypt to the rainforests of the Congo, Africa is one of the most diverse places on Earth. Next time someone calls it a country, you can set them straight. Africa is huge and diverse, not a single place but many. Number 4. The equator is the hottest part of Earth. You'd think the equator would be the hottest place on Earth, right? It seems like common sense, but it's not exactly true. Sure, it's warm there, but the hottest places are actually deserts like the Sahara and Death Valley in the US. The reason? These places have clear skies, little vegetation, and no humidity to trap heat. Death Valley holds the record for the highest temperature ever recorded, a sizzling 134 degrees Fahrenheit, 56.7 degrees Celsius. So, even though the equator gets plenty of sun, deserts still win when it comes to extreme heat. Number 5. The Amazon is the longest river. The Amazon River is massive and flows through some of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. But it's not the longest river. That title still belongs to the Nile. The Amazon is the largest by volume, carrying more water than any other river. But in terms of length, the Nile stretches over 4,100 miles, making it the longest river in the world. There's been some debate over the years, but recent measurements confirm the Nile's reign. So, if you thought the Amazon took the crown, now you know the real story. There you have it, some of the most common geography misconceptions corrected. Geography is full of surprises, and what we think we know often turns out to be wrong. Now it's your turn. What geography fact did you get wrong? Let us know in the comments. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting facts like these.